Hey, welcome din ng Minimage PH. So, today pag-usapan lang natin kung paano mag-pack ng cards, Magic the Gathering cards or Pokemon cards, One Piece, and many more. Okay? So, simpleng-simple lang. I'll show you how to do it. Okay? So, kung may mga gamit ka dyan na pwede mong gamitin, then you can. But, ito yung mga basic na you can use to ship your cards. Okay? By the way, shoutout pala sa mga subscribers natin from the bottom of my heart. Maraming salamat. Thank you. And I hope you guys are doing well. At sa mga bago nanonood, thank you for watching. And if you find value dito sa video ko, please let me know and comment below. Okay, so we'll be shipping cards today sa isang buyer natin sa MTG Tambayan sa Facebook. Okay, so we'll be shipping papunta ng, I think, Taguig. So ito yung mga cards. Okay, and ito lang yung mga kailangan mo. So we have team bag. Bili ko lang yan sa Shopee, not a sponsor. Well, of course, sleeves, penny sleeves. You can buy it sa any local game store, LGS. Scotch tape, bubble wrap, and, well, packaging tape. Maliit na karton para sa safety. And pentel pen if you need. And, of course, scissors. Okay. So, basically, what you do first is kunin mo yung mga cards mo. Okay? So, if you have the cards, put it in there, and then eto, additional lang to, freebie lang to. I'll send it sa buyer. So, you get one penny sleeves. Okay. So, lagay mo dito. Sa penny sleeves. Kasya naman yan up to, I think, 8. And then, get a team bag. So, maganda sa team bag is mas professional siya kaysa yung ginagamit mong yung booster packs na nabuksan na. Which is okay lang naman. Pero if you wanna make it more professional, then of course you wanna just use a team bag instead. So, slightly konti lang. There. And tupi mo konti. Pwede mo na siyang hindi itupi or pwedeng hindi din. But para sa akin, mas gusto ko na tinutupi siya at lagyan ng tape para mas siksik yung pack tsaka yung sa karton. Makasave ka dun sa karton plus yung bubble wrap. Okay, so what you do is get your box, cardboard box here. Okay, and then kupit ka lang yan, lagay mo dito for safety. Unfortunately, wala pa tayong shipping, ang tawag doon? Shipping shield dito sa Pinas. Kung meron, hopefully, I can buy one, pero you can buy it sa US. Okay, so gawin mo is i-shape mo lang and then tupi mo yung karton. Okay, so na mag-fit lang dun sa card. Okay, siguro I'll show it that way. Tapos gunting. Okay, so cut mo lang siya. Okay, very raw yung ginagawa ko, guys. Walang edit to, ah. Okay, so I hope you appreciate this type of content. Guntingin ko lang siya dito off cam para mas mabilis. Okay. Then make sure na medyo almost sakto yung gupit mo dun sa cards para again you'll save the bubble wrap at the same time mas madali. Okay. So here you go. So you just tupi mo ng ganon, tapos lagay mo yung tape. There. Lagay mo yung tape. Okay. There. Diba? Simple lang. And then, we have to set this aside. Ipat natin yan. And then, lagay natin yung bubble wrap. Ito yung bubble wrap. Okay. So, if you put the bubble wrap, may natutunan akong technique lately. So, if you bubble wrap, medyo pahaba. So, it depends sa'yo kung paano mo siya gagawin. Pero, I think, mas madali siya ng pahaba. And then, 3 or 4 folds lang. So, what do I mean is, talagay mo siya dito sa bubble wrap, sa pinakadulo. And then, tupi mo siya. 1 fold. Yan. So, pwede mo siyang ganon and then isiksik mo pa ganito. I-flip mo pa ganyan. Okay. So, may konting space para pag tinupi mo and then tupi mo lang siya ng 1, 2, and 3. Okay. And then, cut the bubble wrap. Pwede mo na yung gupitin. 3 or 4, it depends sa'yo. Pero ako, okay na ako sa 3. May karton naman. So, I'll save yung bubble wrap. And that's it. You put packaging tape. Hindi ko nalalagay yung sa packaging tape, but no, I think I'll have to put it on. Hold on. So, yan yung sa packaging tape. So, it's up to you if gusto mo siyang itupi or what. Pwede mo siyang ituping ganon. So, for spacing. Yan. So, meron akong ginagamit na packaging tape na yung kulay brown na mas madali. You just have to, diba, cut it every time. Well, using yung sa lagayan ng tape. But, I'll just show you kahit wala nun. Just raw. At mas gusto ko tong puti. Mas malinis tignan. Yun kasi parang brown yung tape. So, para ka nagpadala ng, ang tawag doon? Balikbayan box. Ganon. So, eto, mas decent and stuff. So, 1 horizontal, 1 vertical na lang yung paglagay ng tape. Yan, naririnig mo pa. Very, very raw. And there. Yan. There you go. Tapos na. And then, you just have to put the name para mandali mo siyang matrack kung multiple lang isi-ship mo. Put the name nung buyer. And then, ready to pack. Manipis lang siya. Okay. And then, diba, mas hindi siya bulky. Plus, it'll save you money dun sa bubble wrap, sa karton, and diba, hindi na mababawasan yun sa outside ng pocket mo. So, mura lang naman itong mga penny sleeves. This one, I think this one is parang 50 pesos lang. 60 pesos sa LGS. That's 100 pieces yung penny sleeves. Ito is team bag. 100. You can buy it online. 100 for 1 peso. Of course, not a sponsor ng mga bibilang ko, but you know, you can shop around. Bubble wrap, mura lang naman siya. You can buy it sa National Bookstore or ibang other bookstore or shop na nagbebenta ng bubble wrap. Scotch tape, packaging tape, mura lang din yan. And pentel pen, permanent, so para hindi natatanggal. Yun lang kailangan mo so far. Of course, yung karton. So kung may mga karton ka sa bahay, yung malinis, decent, you can use that. And I hope yung video, you find value dun sa video. And yun lang, simple lang mag-bubble wrap. Mag-wrap ng cards. You can also buy bubble wrap pala. Mas professional yun gamitin. However, marami kasi akong mga bubble wrap na nandito sa bahay na nakukuha din sa mga binibiling item from online shop. So, ginagamit ko din siya just to save the bubble wrap. Hindi ko natatapon, at the same time save money. So, planning to use bubble wrap mailer soon pag magkaroon na ako ng shop, personal shop. Goal ko yan, dream ko yan, magkaroon ng local game store, and I hope you can support me. Yun lang for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you find value dito sa video, please let me know. You can comment down below, feedback, suggestion, wanna cover soon, please do so. And if you haven't watched my other videos, please do so. Maraming salamat. Again, be someone by helping someone. Thank you and have a good day. Ciao.